What is consciousness, and how does it relate to the physical world? Let's explore some of the big philosophical lenses that have shaped how we see this enigma. One of the oldest ideas is dualism, most famously associated with René Descartes. Dualism says there are two distinct kinds of stuff, mind and matter. The body is physical, bones, neurons, cells, while the mind is something non-physical. At first glance, this feels intuitive. Your thoughts, feelings, and imagination don't weigh anything. You can't point to love or sadness in a lab dish. So maybe the mind really is something separate from the body. But here's the problem. If mind and matter are so different, how do they interact? How does something immaterial, like the desire to move your arm, cause physical muscles to contract? Dualism raises as many questions as it answers. On the other extreme is materialism. According to this view, the only thing that exists is matter. Consciousness? Just an illusion created by the brain's activity. Your sense of self, your inner world, your spiritual experiences, they're all just chemical reactions inside a skull. Materialism has been the dominant story in science for centuries, and it explains a lot. But here's the haunting question. If everything is just lifeless matter, why would any of it wake up? Why would a lump of atoms ever feel like anything? Why does the universe bother to experience itself at all? Then there's idealism. This is the bold claim that consciousness is the foundation of everything, and matter is what arises within it. In this view, your mind doesn't exist inside the universe. The universe exists inside your mind. Sounds radical, right? But think about it. Everything you've ever known has appeared inside awareness. Colors, sounds, textures, even your idea of the physical world, they all happen in consciousness. Without awareness, the universe as you know it simply doesn't exist. And then we arrive at panpsychism. Unlike dualism, materialism, or idealism, panpsychism doesn't put mind and matter in separate boxes or declare one as an illusion. Instead, it proposes something beautifully simple. Consciousness is a fundamental property of reality, present at every scale. That means atoms may have a primitive spark of awareness. Trees might feel in their own way the sun on their leaves. The earth itself could hold a planetary consciousness. And the cosmos, the whole thing, may be one vast living mind. At first it sounds strange, but panpsychism elegantly dissolves the hard problem of consciousness. We don't need to explain how lifeless matter suddenly woke up. Matter was never lifeless to begin with. Consciousness was always there. So let me ask, which of these perspectives speaks most to you?